everyone, Pratima here again from CyberNows. And first of all, it's always a great feeling to sit down with someone who has actually gone through the CISSP journey and come out stronger on the other side. So today I have with me Pragya, who has cleared CISSP. And many congratulations, Pragya, to you and welcome to the call.
Thank you, ma'am, for asking me to have a call, and thank you for everything that from past 1 year, whatever I experienced, up and downs with my health and everything, and you supported me a lot with everything, with a positive vibes. Just gratitude for every single thing, whatever you are doing in your life. That I learned from you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, would you like to say something about your career in cybersecurity and how you came to know about CyberNOS for your CISSP preparation and all?
Yeah, so basically, I am having a 10 plus year of experience in cybersecurity because I started as a core from cybersecurity only, and I am now 10 years of the experience. Core cybersecurity like EPSAC and baseline security assessments and all these things I am having. And when I was doing the technical thing, I just want to move towards the managerial side. So I was thinking about to do the CISSP last year. Then I was juggling here and there. Then I come to know from my friend and I checked Manosa profile on LinkedIn on CyberNus. Then I thought that okay, 100 days program that would helpful me to, because the syllabus is too vast for CISSP, 8 domains and 8 different domains, because everyone is not very very much good in every domain. So that's why I was thinking, okay, I will see the sir course. I just joined first introduction call, which is having some live webinars. So I joined that webinar. Then I was like, okay, the way he explained the structure is very good, that for every domain he is giving 1 week, and whatever the domains are big, he is giving 2 weeks. So accordingly, weeks are divided, days are divided. So you have to follow those things only. Just follow whatever sir is teaching and telling you. Okay, for the first day you just complete one small part of the domain, so that will give you some kind of a positivity. Okay, I am doing something exactly. Because reading book, it's fine, everyone can read a book, but what exactly you are learning from the books, that depends on how you are going to apply that thing. So I just got to know CyberNus, then I joined the webinar, then I connect with you for the process. Then I remember when I had a call, I was in a dilemma, should I do it or should I don't do it? Better just stay for 1 year also. After that, think about it. It's only 10 years of experience. Then 2 of my colleagues also joined with me. They told, okay, we will do it. And I forced 2 or more people to join with me. Okay, that will be good learning, because everything cannot be given by sir. I have to do something on my own. He can only teach me. I have to eat those things. That is a saying, no plate is ready for you. Now it's up depend upon you how you will going to take it. Then I joined, then started session, and when sir told, if you guys are not serious about the studies, then please go. Take your money back and leave the classes. I don't want such people who are not serious. I was like, oh my god, sir is too much strict. I remember my school days when sir was teaching it everything. And the best part, the gym session. And the gym session, when sir gave it a question, give 5 to 10 seconds, 15 seconds mostly. Okay, what is the answer? Pragya? I was like, okay, fine. Sir was like, no one is going to judge you here if you are wrong also. We are here to practice, to learn how to apply. If you fail, it's fine, no worries. Those things motivate me, and that's why I joined, and I highly recommend to my friends. Hopefully some of them are going to talk to you after I clear my CISSP. So that is a motivation for me. And once I clear at 100 questions, that is a, well, like, okay. When I got my result, I was like, again I failed and I have to study for 6 months regularly, rigorously. Then I saw congratulations. I was like, yeah, I had done it. That is the best thing. That is the best thing in the starting of the year happened with me. Now let's see how the things will go in the future also. For you, basically, I was too not negative, but I was not sure about the things. I have to do it. I'm getting anxieties. No, I can't do it. And one thing I in my mind, that if I didn't clear the exam, what people will going to think about me? That is the worst thing which I feel in last 1 year. But no one will going to, whatever the people want to think about it, it's their choice. But I know I have to do it, and I had done it. That is the best thing happened to me. And thanks to you, you told me when we met, Pragya, why you are not doing manifestation? Just try it once.
Yeah.
Just try. I remember it when we met in Noida.
Really?
Yeah, definitely. You told me to start manifesting, Pragya. See, whatever the hard work you can do, you are doing. But sometimes some days are not for you. Something needs to be click. So start doing manifestation. Hopefully those things will be come. But when you start them, I remember one more thing you told me. When you start the motivation, don't put any negative thought. Just be
Obviously.
positive. Go with the positive vibes. Whatever with the exam happened. Leave it there. Don't think about too much. And then I start doing some kind of a manifestation, also writing the things. I am CISSP certified. I cleared my exam. In the mirror also I used to say these things, mirror manifestation. So those things I had done in my past 1 year, and yeah, those things really work out for me. So yeah, gratitude for everything. Right now, the people I met in last 1 year in my CSSP batch, in both the batches, these things are really lesson I learned from the cyberness. And one more thing about sir, I don't know any teacher can do that. Sir, always after 2 months or a 1 month, Pragya, how's the things going? You feel anything like anything is stuck, you are stuck somewhere, or you need some kind of another support, we will do it. When I was giving mock test on Udemy, sir asked me, how much percent you got, Pragya? I was like, 76, 76, 74. That much? Okay. Then book the exam. When sir say na, book the exam, book it. Don't have any second thought. And one last thing, that don't get anxiety when you see the exam. You will get the tough question at least in between. Definitely, that's why we are saying that the SSP is a tough exam. That is a thing. You definitely get tough thing, but you should be clear about your thoughts and concept. That is the main thing I would suggest to everyone who is like going to give the exam. Just be positive. Everything will be fine. It's with you. Yeah.
Definitely, Pragya. And really, we are so happy for you. And thank you so much. And really, congratulations once again. And keep growing in your career ahead and in your life. And many congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for motivating me, and thank you for everything the last 1 year. Yeah.